Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make cool text backload, different colors. Ignore that. Okay, now open a new document. Put whatever. I'll put tutorial. Now make sure the color is black and click OK. And choose your colors and fill them in with the fill tool. Start going like that.
5.
Okay? Now it's like just go like that. Now go up to your text tool again and click conform selection. Go to filter, stylize, progressive contour. Make sure outside is checked and width should be print. Click OK. And it should glow like that with different colors. Bye!